Alrighty, guys. Good morning. For me, at least, it's morning. How is everyone doing? Let's wait a bit for folks to join. And my English, my VS Code, everything, it's against me this year. It's like I posted this video 2 days ago, I believe, with this schedule animation. I was sick. I could not even talk, while recording it, and it's like everything is against me. But anyway, I believe that so I made some changes on the UI for this stream, and please do let me know down in the comments if everything looks good for you here. So I scaled a bit the things, and yeah, just curious to know actually if everything is fine with it. Okay, if the font size is good, if you see everything. Do you do consultancy work? I used to do. Now I'm a full-time content creator, but I can help with some projects. If you need any help, reach out to me. Yeah, so the thing here is that yesterday I have published a new version of Animate React Native accordion. So we are going to use this accordion here. You can reach out to me. You can I send here. Yeah, so you can send me an email here. Don't spam, please. Anyway, so let's continue working. Okay. So what I would like to do now is to add this accordion. So let's open up bun remove animate accordion, bun add accordion. Okay, and I would also like to add bun add the stagger. Okay, and let's stop and start again the server. Great. So what I would like to do, each individual block here should be an accordion, and I would like to always display like the header, so the text is the header, and then whatever it's inside, I would like to like the to do should be collapsible, So if I go on the week, so here for each individual day, this should be an accordion. So I'll import accordion, animate accordion. I'll import accordion. So I believe this should be accordion. Accordion. It's working still? Yeah, still working. Okay, great. And this should be accordion header. When we press on it, we should accordion so that expanded, this is the content that will be displayed when, okay, boom. So now everything should work. And let me actually go to the to-dos and remove this part because we don't care. Okay, so book. Okay, this is actually looking quite good. Okay. And I'll be using the Stagger. So I'll import, actually, everything should be wrapped into a Stagger. Stagger. I cannot import Stagger, what? Import from Stagger. Okay, so this is a Stagger. Okay, and I will do, you know what, I'll just leave like that, and let's see. Look. Okay, so we have some animations. Great. So if I do like Stagger is going to be, let's say 100, you'll see that whook. Great. Okay, so we have the Stagger, and the class name is not working because we need to do the remapping. So I'll do remap props Stagger. I'll do class name should be style. Okay, now hit refresh and the gap should work now, or not. No, I need the CSS interrupt. Yes, so I need the CSS interrupt for some reason. Okay. And I believe that I need to do the exit direction should be 1. So it's going to start from top to bottom. Look, you see? Great. So we have some things. Now let's fix the scrolling issue. So you see it's not scrollable anymore. So let me, but wait a second. Do we need this section visible all the time, or only when you... I think that we can do it differently. So where is the day? So what I'm going to do is this part I will wrap it into an accordion collapsed. So this is not going to be maybe expanded as well. Is this working? Okay, this is actually working. Okay, so basically I'm not... Is this how it's in the design? Yeah, you see, so this is visible only when you... But still though, it's like, nah. I'll always show the... yeah, okay. So there is a small... If you are looking here, you'll see. Look, you see the... So let's fix the clamping. So I'll remove the padding. I'll just add a padding top and padding on the right as 4, you know, just remove the padding. You see now this is coming okay. And for the to-dos, I will add here a padding bottom, margin bottom of 4. Okay, much better. And I'll also like to add a margin top. Okay. The class name, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Don't worry about it. The music, it's really bad. Let me catch a bit with the chat. Morning, Ashish. Be native. Yeah, I see the email. Thank you. Keep up the great work. Thank you very much. I love your content. I started to get interested in React Native thanks to you. Thank you very much. Yeah, I really appreciate it. I'm actually really happy to hear that. Awesome project. Thank you. It's not it's not my project even. It's Brett's project. He created the UI. I'm just trying to implement it. Thank you. I have an animated flat list, and if I hit the bottom by scrolling, and the pop-up will come out and I will react to my finger. How can I do that? I don't understand the question. Sorry about that. I am new to React Native. Is this session for beginners? Not sure. Yes and no. By new to React Native, you're new to JavaScript, you're new to React, you're completely new to, like, you haven't done anything in React Native. What's your level, you know? Okay. Let's start with the scroll view. So inside the week, this should be wrapped into a scroll view. I believe that I can also bump a bit the font here. I think it's better now. So this is a scroll view, okay. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and the thing... can I add here a flex one is going to change something? No, not really. Okay, so inside the day where we do the calculations, so here, this is actually wrong now because we cannot do percentage anymore. So we need to calculate. So we need to get the height of the screen from use window dimensions. And we should also get the top and bottom from use save area insets. Okay. So initially I would like to have the mean height is going to be height divided by week lengths. Okay. Right. And we should also subtract from the height the top and the bottom. Okay. So now they should look okay. See, and I'm just opening up. Look, you can scroll easy. And now there is a snap, as you can see from here, like snap. How to snap it? Snap. You see, there is a snap. So I believe that we can fix that by using an inside the day. Is this actually using layout? Is this accordion underneath using a layout? Accordion provider. Value it's open, layout. Interesting. Okay. So I believe that interesting. So I believe that I can try to fix the snap animated coming from React Native reanimated, and layout is going to be linear transition, springify and stiffness. So let's see if now it is snappy or not. Okay, so it's not snappy anymore. Oh, it is. It is. Aha, so it's still snappy. How to fix this? This app is not live right now, but I plan on doing it like end-to-end. I'm planning on showing you guys how I'm implementing it, how I'm creating screenshots, how I'm using Expo ES, and how to build the app and how to release it. It's like end to end on both stores. Yeah, so it's going to be iOS and Android. So anyway, so I don't know how to fix the snappiness. So now it's yeah, the snappy. Is this just? I don't know how to adjust. I'll think about it. Maybe if I convert this to be an animated and do here the layout as well, maybe it's going to help. Animated scroll view. Okay, hit save. No, doesn't actually matter. No, not even this is going to help. So this is a view. Okay. Anyway, so I think we did something, and on the day I would like to make the current day open. So I'll do here to the accordion where we have the day. I will say is open. If day.js by the day is the same as the day.js, and if I hit refresh, Thursday is going to be open. Okay, great. So let me actually commit the things. Add animations to add animate React Native accordion to the days. Okay, great. What else? Yeah, this looks okay. I'm not even sure if I'll do the... Do I need to do it? I'm just thinking, should I use Drizzle or not? Because I can... 1 second. Should I use Drizzle for the backend? Like, or should I use Legend State with Expo SQLite? I'll definitely be using Expo SQLite, but yes, I believe. Yeah, maybe we can do the... How am I going to... Is this going to be top level? Like, how am I going to fetch the data? Based on the day, based on the week? Yeah, maybe... I'll be using... Yeah, let's add add a random thingy here at the bottom. and then we can figure it out. So on the day where we have the to-dos, here the to-dos, this is interesting because I believe I'll be adding, I'll be using maybe use live query to fetch the things here. Yeah, this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so let's wrap this into a view. Okay, and this view should come from React Native. Nothing, it's but I would like to just for now a dummy button, you know, title, add to do, and now on press I'll store the to-dos. So to-dos should be state, so to-dos, set to-dos is starting from to-dos, boom boom. Why do I need React here? I don't need React. Okay, so this is to-dos, right? Everything should work normally. Okay, great. And when you press, I would like to set to-dos with to-dos length, to do, done. Okay, great. Now if I add, let's open this one. Look. Nice. Look. Okay, and what's the default entering? The default entering. What's this? Default entering. Okay. Maybe I'll do enter direction -1. That will be great. Look. Nice. I'll leave it like that. Okay, so to do 6, whatever. Okay, and this is also animated, but the button is not animated. So let's create. How is this? Just add a task. Yeah, but you don't have a button, you know. Ooh. Where is the notifications? Has anyone? I would like to start streaming. No. Where it's? I can't remember. It's like bringing. Okay, so this is the thing. There is no add a new to do, right? It's just an input. Interesting. Okay. Yeah. Let's commit the things. Okay, yes. Add random to do. And now, because we are here, I'll like to add. Do I have Expo installed? Like, what Expo version do I have? It's 52. Okay. So I will add the Lucid icons and React Native SVG. Great. And inside the to-dos, we have a to-do, okay, and inside the to-do I would like to change a bit of things. So this view should have a check. Man, this TypeScript it's hilarious. It's like check, okay, check. Lucid could not be fine. Oh, okay. Barn start. Epic. I don't know what's happening. For some reason, the things are not working properly for me. Okay, so we have the check. Great. And I believe that how I did it. Let me see how I did the habit tracker. Drizzle, CSS, interrupt, polyfill. Okay, so let me copy this part here. I go to CSS interrupt. So icons is coming from Lucid icons. Okay. So I'll just refresh. Basically, this is adding native wind to the icon. So I can do something like class name, for example. I'll do fill red. Actually, let's do it green. 500. You know, fill. This is actually stroke. Okay. And yeah, so it's going to be white. Okay, and I'll do a size of maybe 16. Can I do size here? I'm just curious. Size, yeah, okay. So I can do size 4. That will be great, actually. No, I cannot do it. Anyway, so I think 12 maybe. Yeah. So 12 even 10. No, 12. 10. Okay, and items center, justify center, and display the check only if to do is done. Now I'm thinking, do I need to actually wrap this to be maybe. Change the color of the tick because barely I can see it. Yeah, you cannot see it because of the stream, but you are going to see it on the real device. I can also do like stroke, how is absolute stroke, so I can make this a little bit I'm just thinking, can I do decoration? No. Let me think about it for a second. How to do the icons? Anyway, yeah, so I'll do everything. Add lucid icons plus svg plus native wind interrupt for them. Okay. And now let's add Drizzle, I believe. We need to eject? No, not really. Actually, we need, right? No, we don't need it. Do we need? Yes, we need. Yeah, so Drizzle, Expo. Can you see the text here? Yeah, I think you can see it. I'll be using Drizzle, right? Like a normal guy. I need to add the .sql and also .db maybe. I also need to run migrations. Okay. Add the migrations. Okay, so most probably I'm gonna copy some code from the habit tracker. Yeah, so the habit tracker. Actually, you know what? Let me first do the installation. Okay. Do I have everything? Yeah. Okay, so let's add Drizzle. Does not exist, of course. Install Expo SQLite. It's okay. So let me close this. Actually, ban remove legend state. Legend app, legend state, legend. What's happening? Let's add again the legend state. So I have contributed to legend state, and now you can use the state with the Expo SQLite KV store, which is a sync storage. So now let's do not yet. Drizzle, okay, love query. Let me actually do the Babel import now. So I'll do ban add. Okay. Shouldn't this be dev? Maybe. Okay. Let's go to Babel. Reset plugins. Okay. It's safe. Inside the metro, I need to also push this part. Okay, it's normal. Metro before. Okay, and now I need the drizzle schema. Okay, it's okay. Let me open the how to open the things. Okay, here I'll do a new drizzle.config.js. Is this JS or TS? No, it's TS. Okay, copy the things. So I need the db schema. Okay, hit save. I will create a new file. I'll do db schema.ts. Nothing for now. Okay, let's see. Is this in? Oh, it's not in db. Okay, db schema.ts. Nothing. Let's remove schema. Hello, the stream is black page. I don't know. On Twitch. Which Miron Catalin, is this my handle? I don't know how to see it, you know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Twitch. Twitch for me, it's really new. How to actually see the stream? Twitch. Interesting. Is the thing? And now you can use the state with the Expo SQLite key. Is this live? Watch live. Okay. Watch live. I cannot watch live. I don't know how to watch live. Sorry, guys. Anyway, so let's close this. Can you see everything on YouTube at least? It's working on X. Yeah, I believe the issue is the bitrate. Maybe. So now I need to run the migrations. Okay, I don't have any migrations. But now it's time to go to the habit tracker. And zoom here a bit. So I have first of all, I have the hooks and I have use local migration. Let me copy this part here. I have hooks, use local migrations. Yes. Use local migrations, TS, okay. Use Dribble Studio, so I need restart. So I need to also install Drizzle Studio. Okay, I can add add Drizzle Studio. Migrations. Interesting. So I have a different DB, right? So I have a DB and I have a Drizzle. So Drizzle is Drizzle DB schema. Okay, how is this Drizzle config? Okay. So Drizzle So it's db schema and db init. Okay. So this db schema, I also need to create a new file, init. Yeah, so let me close the things. I don't even need the transactions. So I'm doing some parts here. I need the ban expo install next. Ban expo install. Okay, so ban. Okay, so this is using actually the shared containers. But do I need to do it now? The shared containers. It's not even working, you know. I'm using in habit tracker. I'm using the shared containers because I'm creating those widgets. You know, it's like those widgets are actually attached directly to an SQL database. So even the app, even if the app is not actually running in the background, you can change the things. So those are Swift UI widgets. So that was the main reason why I have switched to to this shared containers. I think I'll do it again. I'll use it. Okay, so logger false. Okay, so anyway, so I think we have this part, use local migrations. So restart the TS server. So we have Drizzle migrations. Let's add a package JSON. Where is the package JSON? Package JSON. We have the migrations, generate and studio. Okay. Package. Go to scripts, add the scripts here with generate and migrate. So I'll do ban generate. No config path drizzle.ts. Reading config. Okay, so nothing to commit. It's okay. So I'll go to the schema. Okay, and schema. So let's think about it. Why we don't have the drizzle? Ban add ban expo install. Is something wrong with install, you know? Yeah, I don't care about the expo. Okay, so now it's working. For some reason, I don't know what's happening. It's like and where do you store the DB on the Android? It's the default directory. I believe is the directory of the app itself. You know, the app instance. It's local on the device, and when you are going to remove the application is going to remove the folder as well. So how am I going to have this? I think I only need a table, right? I need a table, and the table. I'm just overcomplicating things, you know. It just. Just thinking, should I? I was thinking about having a single table, right? And to have like like ID, content, done, the date, and the rest. I believe this is how I'm going to do it. So I'm gonna have here to-dos, to-dos, and do I need? I also need a table for like to-dos to have a date, and then the date should also point to the to-do. Just thinking, you know. How is this live query working? Where is Drizzle? Drizzle. Drizzle live query. So I can where is the live query? Live query, guys, live query. Okay. I'm selecting from habits, and I'll be doing something like, can I group? Maybe I can group it, right? Because I need to group by date. So I need to select everything. Status. Actually, status is better. Yeah. Instead of done, right? This is what you're talking about. Okay. But first, I would like to remove the init of the database. So I will not use the DB path. So DB path for now, is going to be the default directory. Okay. I don't even need it, you know. If I'm not specifying, I don't care. So I don't even know what I'm doing. Should close connection. Come on. It's like SQL database should close this intersection. Okay, I'm doing something. Okay, never mind. Okay. So I can comment those things. Because I'm not, if you're not passing like the default, if you're not passing, so you have the database name, options, and the directory. Okay, so if I'm not specifying the directory, it's going to fall back to the default directory. Okay, great. So now we can also connect the Drizzle kit because yeah. Anyway, so let's start by creating the schema. How to do the schema? So schema. Can I do here like date? It's a text. What can I do inside the text? It's an enum mode JSON text. No, it's a text. What's a primary key? What can I do with the primary key? It's an auto increment. I cannot do primary key how I wanted. Type always. Okay. not null. Can I do something like how am I going to? I cannot do it. Okay. What else do I have here? Text. Numeric, real, SQL, text union. No, I don't care. So I will leave a comment here. This should be formatted as year, month, day. Okay. I don't know how to check this on. Yeah, I don't know how to check this. Okay, so for the notifications, I don't need. Oops. I'll say here status. Do I need a status as an enum? I'm overcomplicating things, right? No, it's just done. Integer, it's false by default. Credit that, description. Do I need a description? Maybe. Color, no. But I'll add a content. Okay. And the date should be not null. So those are mandatory, right? Can I do? No. Okay. Pretty much that's it. And what am I doing with it? Let's see if this is working. Bun generate. Yes, bun migrate. Bun, what's the bun studio? Wait a second, because I need to run the thing. And use local migrations. This use local migration should be called in the layout. Okay, layout, and I will call here use local migrations. Okay, now Shift M and open Drizzle Studio. Drizzle migrations. Okay, so I have no to-dos. So let's add a new to-do. Just a dummy one. So how to do it? Well, inside the to-do, when I'm adding a to-do, where we have the button, so inside to-dos, I'll do here db insert into schema, actually to-dos. Ooh, to-dos is to-dos. I'll do I will rename those. So the insert. Yeah. To-dos is underscore to-dos. Now to-dos local. Okay. So I'll need to do to-do. Okay. Okay, and the values are going to be, the date is going to be the day. Okay, that's coming as a prop. The content is going to be just a random to do. We will figure it out, the input. Created that, done, ID, we don't care, right? Kind of makes sense. And I'll just, and I also need to do the, come on, just insert and run, okay? If I hit refresh now, open up this guy, add a to do, this should be added to the database. Yes. So we have a to do here. And now what we can do, actually this is interesting. Maybe schema, how am I, Drizzle, go to Drizzle, timestamp. But is this available for SQLite? Timestamp. Can I do timestamp? That's actually interesting. XXX timestamp. No. This should be an integer, maybe. Mode. Timestamp. How is the timestamp? Let's search mode. Mode timestamp. I would like to have it in this is a date string. Wait a second. Timestamp milliseconds. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think we can do the mode timestamp here instead of the text, and I'll do not null. Okay. So date, let me remove the date from the database, delete the record. I'll do bond generate. Okay, and refresh the thing. Okay, and if I add a new to do now, value get time is not a function. Of course, it's not a function. To do's, we are going to say day.js to date. Okay. We don't have anything in the database. It's okay. This one, refresh. Okay. Okay. And if I do now the live query, where is the live query? This is not useless, it's useless. Live query. Use live query. So I'm going to fetch, use live query. I will select from to-dos where, and if I go to the habit tracker, I will do use live query. I have it inside the to-do habit logs. I have this where. And I'm doing, do I need? Don't need a guy, I need between. Actually, I'll do equal habits, not habits, but to-dos date. It's equal to day by the day. I'll do between. To-dos is the start of the day. Start, end of the day. Order by, we don't care about ordering. But I'll do to do query that. Not desk, I don't care. If I hit refresh, I will do here data dot. If we have data, I will render it. Okay. Let's reload again the app. So Wednesday, the text must be, to do, okay, it's do ID actually, it's okay. If I go to the to do, this is type of to do's that infer select. So to do, it's done, to do content. Am I doing something wrong here? Do content. Interesting. I'll do boolean. Yeah, so this was the issue anyway. Okay, so now if I do it's done, save the changes, it should be lying true. Okay, great. It's amazing. Yeah, so this is working. I'll do done 0, save the changes, go back, boom. Okay, so if I add another one, it's here now. This is done. Drink coffee. Let's say save the changes, drink coffee. Okay, great. Wow, thank you very much for purchasing a lifetime license on Animate React Native. Thank you very much. Really appreciate your support. It means a lot. It means a lot, really. Like, let me catch a bit. Maxi, hey, just joined. Could you maybe tell me the stack you're using? Yeah, I'm using Expo with React Native reanimated for animations. I'm using Drizzle and Expo SQLite for the local first approach, and Legend State for state management outside of the other things that besides to dos and things like that, right? So this is somehow working. Okay, let me add another to do for Tuesday. Okay, so we have another to do for Tuesday. Save the changes. Okay, so we have, this is actually working. Okay, let's add everything. Add drizzle plus schema for to-dos. Okay, push everything. Kind of makes sense. Okay. There is a use local migrations. Okay. Okay, so we have the animations, we have everything. Now I would like to how would you implement a sync layer with WebSockets? Would this be possible with your stack? I'm not doing any syncing. Yeah, so everything lives on the device. It's actually an offline application. It's not even a local first. It's a local application. What you can do is you can sync the data in the cloud with maybe iOS things. I don't even know how to sync the data from Drizzle. I don't know. With this tech, I don't know how to do it. With Supabase, for example, I know how to do it. But because Supabase plus Legend State is really powerful, because you can have the Legend State is doing all the heavy lifting, meaning that you update the local state, and when you have connectivity and everything it's working, is going to also inform Supabase, hey, yeah, update those things. But right now everything is local. I don't even care to make this syncable, to be fair with you. Okay, so why is this to do visible? Okay. So let's actually add an empty state. So if the data length is equal to 0, I will display a text. No to do's yet. let's import the text. Class name, I'll do font barrel, maybe 400. Ah, mm, okay. And most probably I'm going to add a day as a dependency here. Yeah, that waiting really bothers me. Actually, I will not even add this because I will have the input, so text input. I'll do class name, maybe I'll add a border black, okay, padding. I'll do placeholder, add to do. And the black is too much, and I'll do gray, maybe 200. I'll do black 50%. Okay. Add to do, so you can type something here. So if I open up, now whatever you type here, we need to store this and add a to do, okay? But I don't want to have this here, but rather here. Interesting. Most probably I'm going to do entering is going to be fade in left. Or maybe fade in right. Yeah, and I'll just keep the enter direction top to bottom. Okay. Nah, it's okay. Okay, and this other thing, I don't need content. Okay, let's wrap this into an animated view. And I will do entering. It's a fade in, down, springify. Springify, do we need a springify? Yeah, with the damping of maybe 14. And exiting is going to be fade out down. Do I need a flex? Not yet. Okay, I will remove the thing and I'll do duration 400. Okay, much better. Okay. I don't know, fix animations and displaying the tools. React query. Is there is pending like in React query? No, that's what bothers me really really much here. It's like, unfortunately, no, there is no is loading or is fetching or, you know. uh, Although there is an uh, you have access to like error and updated at, I don't know how to use those, guys. It's like, I don't know. It's like but no, unfortunately, there is no. Is like, is fetching or is loading will be great, you know. But there is not such a thing, unfortunately. So to do's is like data length. Okay, so to do 3, 4. Okay, so I also need to add a layout. It's linear transition with a duration of 400. Why not? Okay, kind of makes sense. I can do springify this time, damping 80, stiffness 200. Okay, work. Okay. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Okay, great. So add layout animation to the footer container. Okay. So we have some data here. I think I can remove some parts here. Just remove everything, you know. Why not? We can create to do. I can also fix the things 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oof, I don't like the springify. Okay, gotcha. Uh, mm, I understand the issue. Okay. Animated view. I'll do the same. Yeah, there is. Okay, most probably I don't need this part anymore. Yes, so most probably I'm gonna delay this by 400. Yep, and I don't even, actually I need the layout transition. Yeah, and also the duration is okay. Now is rook. I need a maybe 200. Even less, 100. Let's add some music. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think we are in a good shape. Don't even think that we actually need this part. Okay. We don't even need the part. I also have, I have a hook. I don't want to do the hook. Like, when enter finished. Yeah, no. Okay. I will just undo the things. Okay. Uh, okay. I think we are okay. Okay. Hey, Amur. Thanks for joining. Happy New Year, guy. Happy New Year, man. Okay. So we have the data. We have everything. This is also scrollable. Okay. So now we need to change the to-do, right? When you press on this, we need to make this to-do one. It's done one. Save the changes. So basically when you press, you make this active, right? Yeah, I think so. I think we can do it. How is the UI? Oh, you cannot see anything. Okay, so now I think you can see it. Yeah, so I was doing one, let's say one here. So it's 0. Save the changes. And for Wednesday, it's to do it's false. Now it's true. See, if I do one here and one here, you'll see that, yeah. So this is also like real time, which is great. Okay, I think that we can move on, and do something to the text input. I don't like the border bottom. Okay, border bottom is better. And I was thinking about adding the button here. How is this going to look like with the keyboard? Okay, so keyboard is not that great, so we can handle the keyboard. Yeah. Can we just do const whatever it's equal to use animated keyboard? What do we have here? Height, animated. Not here. To the to-dos, where we have the week, we have the scroll view. Let's get the height from use keyboard, and we can do here to the animated. Do we need? Nah, we can have an animated view. Animated is coming from React Native reanimated. And we can do a style. I'll do height. Can we do it like this? Should this be inside? Maybe. But it's 200. 1000. This is definitely not working, huh? So this is definitely working, but I'll do here animated. How to do it? Interesting. Interesting. I'll do a background color just to see it. Red. Okay, so we have it here. But what if I'm doing it here? Where to add the view? Margin bottom. Is this pushing? What's pushing the things? Nothing. How is the library React Native keyboard view or something? Keyboard handling. I need to add it to the input. Interesting. React Native keyboard controller. Okay. I would like to have it bottom offset. You know what? Let's install this guy. Okay. I'll do ban expo install this. Reload. Oh, we need a provider. Okay. Layout. We need a provider. Okay. We need a provider. Got you. And we can do the keyboard things inside the week. Instead of this scroll view, we can have the, we can also remove the, do we need the content? Maybe not. So now if I hit refresh, refresh. I cannot use it inside Expo Go. Well, that's a bummer. I hope that's a bummer though. Yeah. It is not included. Got you. But I don't want to build it, you know, just for the keyboard. Yeah. I will do it differently. I will do it differently. Okay. Ban, remove this guy. For now. Okay. And most probably I can also move this view here. I don't care that much. Okay. Animated. This is animated. Okay. And do I have this here? Background color red. Okay, gotcha. So I need a view. View is not defined. It should be defined. Refresh. Wait, what? What's happening here, guys? Okay, gotcha. No, I'll not do pre-built for the keyboard. No. Not yet. I will do it anyway. Because I'm going to use some custom things like, you know, targets. I'll be using widgets, definitely. I'll be using like dynamic icons. I'll be using multiple things, but not now. Or shall I do it? I don't even know if this is going to work, you know? How is this working? But this is really nice, you know? Look. This is nice. What do I need to do? This is actually quite nice. Oh, sorry. I need to zoom in a bit. Yeah, so this type of behavior is really nice. So you know what? Let's add it. Do I have anything uncommitted? Diff. Okay, I will add this part, not this part, not this part. Restyle the input. I'll check out and push. Okay, so I will ban expo install this guy. Ban expo pre-built iOS. Okay, I believe I need a dev client, right? I may need the dev client up. Yeah, I may need the dev client. Ban expo install expo dev client. And inside the package, dash dev client. And I will need to do ban iOS. Oops. It's okay. So now while this is doing the things, let's undo and do the keyboard provider. Okay, so keyboard provider. Okay, and inside the week, I need to do the keyboard aware scroll view. So I'll do button offset, okay. Is this doing the things? Yes, it's doing the things. Now I should be able... What's the container doing here? Gap padding. Nah, I don't care. I don't care about any. And let's go here and see what button offset is doing. The distance between keyboard and the focus text input when the keyboard is shown. The default is 0. It's okay. I believe we can fix this. So if this is working, it's great. I'm not sure if this is going to work though. But we will see. Never say never. Because the input is really hidden inside, we will see. Do I need to use a special input? No. Sticky, okay. We also have a sticky. Is it great? Controller view. No. Okay. I am not sure how my computer is handling streaming, playing music and everything. Let's wait for this to install, but I'll do one start anyway. Okay. It's doing the... Yes, it's doing it. The dev client? Yes. It's a development build. Okay, great. Let's wait for the bundle. Okay, so this has finished. Continue, it's okay. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, guys. This is fucking beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. Oh no, what? Oh. Is this working as well? No. How to do it, the drag? But let me see it again. Oh. Oh no. This is... Who's this guy? It's like... This guy requires more love. I will just I'll just post this guy needs more love. Is what's the keyboard? Not this one. This one. His package. It is amazing. I'll just follow him. He's great. He's epic. He's just epic, you know. Yeah, you cannot even like... Ooh, guys, doesn't even... Yeah, so let's Let's actually add inside the Git, ignore. I'll just do iOS and Android, just because I don't want to commit the things. Okay. Oh, Kirill. Yo, this is yeah. So I'll just add. Oh, you know what? The week. Can I do adjust? How to make the button scroll. Not this one. Adjust handle keyboard persist tabs handled. I believe now we can press on the button. Yes. Okay. And if I do never, this still going to. Yes. Okay. So it's always. What's always doing? Handled. Okay. Handled is the right term. It's great, guys. It's boom. Boom. Okay. Great. It's funny though, because this is not automatically, but I'll handle it because I'll remove the focus. When you add one, how to actually update? Can I update the things? Can I update? Can I update? Controller. Okay, so this, I would like to see how extra keyboard space. I don't care. I care about the props. Disable scroll on keyboard hide. What's this doing? This is true, okay. So if I do it something like this. Aha, so this is keeping it. No, I don't care. Okay, great. So I think I can commit the things. Add actually handle keyboard with great. Yeah, so this is really nice. What's going to happen in this case? So can I say disable Uh-huh. Okay, no, I don't like this part. Okay, so we have this thingy. Yeah, so we have some elements here. We can add a to-do, boom, boom, and disable. Okay, we have this part as well. Great. So what else can I do? So we have the database. We have quite a lot of things, guys. Rogelio, amazing content as always, brother. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it, guys. Really appreciate it. Thank you very much. So, what can I do now? I think I can also handle the scrolling. How to do the scrolling? Is there any guide? Recipes? No. API. Controller view. Gesture area. Okay, I'll try to do this part. Can I do it? So I'll do look. Scroll view. To do the scroll offset. Do I need an interpolator? What do I need to pass here? Interpolator. Okay. Interpolator is going to be linear. See? Enable swipe to dismiss. Show on swipe up. What's this doing? Allow you to define a region on the screen where there's a keyboard position. Swipes, okay. Okay. Over keyboard view. Okay. I don't care. Example app. Source. Examples. Okay. Got you. Yeah, I will not. Yeah, maybe something like this. I'll just leave a note. Actually, Okay, and I'll do for keyboard to handle gestures. Check this part. Okay. Add to do to for handling the keyboard, the keyboard with gestures. Okay. All right. I think we are in a good shape with it. Most probably next time we are going to do the background colors for each individual day. And if I hit refresh, yeah, so this is open. Boom. I would like to scroll to it. Okay. I'll fix the scrolling because right now we are opening directly the current day. Maybe I can add an asterisk here to emphasize the fact that this is the current day. But anyway, so I'll most probably scroll directly to this part and do the background color, maybe some settings, and also handle the add to do something like, you know, add something here, and add something, adding the to do, boom. Okay. Okay, so I believe that I can do it now, just I'll create a state. Do I need a state? Yes, I will need a state. I create here, the to do content, set content, use state, nothing. Default value is going to be content on change text. I'll do text and set content text. The button is going to be disabled if content, if not content, or content is equal to actually trim. No, content is equal to nothing, and when we set the content we are going to set it and trim it. Okay, and if we have this disabled, I'll fix the styling, but for now I don't care that much. And when you press on it, the content is going to be the content. Great. So I'll say another nice to do, add, boom. Okay. So I need a ref, input ref, const ref, input ref, it's use ref, text input null, use ref, import it. And when you change the text, actually when you do the to do, I will do input ref current clear and also current blur. Okay, so if I do it rest, I'll do the to do, boom. Yeah, something like this. And I think now it makes sense to actually keep the position, or at least to try to keep the position. What was the disable scroll? Okay, so disable. And if I do testing, yeah, I think it's better now to keep the position. Okay. You got this. I need a return. Okay. So I can also do something different to the to-dos. Bum, 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 bum. On submit editing, I will do the same thing here. So I'll do add to do. On submit editing, I'll do add to do. And add to do. I will actually say if content add to do, I don't need to have it as a callback on submit editing. If okay, and I'll do const is disabled. This one, if it's disabled, if it's not disabled, you can add it, and this is disabled. Okay, so I'll do pum 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 on submit editing. On submit editing, submit behavior, blur and submit. Is this called actually console log whatever? Yes, okay. Console log e current target text. How is this? So I'll do boom. I'll also console log the content. Yeah, so it's equal. Why is this not added? Is disabled? Is disabled is true. Is disabled. Oh, okay, gotcha. So if there is no content or content, it's equal to this guy. Okay, kind of makes sense. Yeah, what a shame. Ooh, I also need to reset the. So after submitting it, I also need to set content to be nothing. Great. So now if I have the keyboard, I'll do and it's okay. Okay. And if I go to the things here, just delete everything. Ooh, why is this interesting? Wow. That was cached for some reason. Interesting. Anyway, so I'll do testing, enter, test, enter. Okay, that's great. Add to do content on the input value. Okay, and I'll most probably oops. I was thinking about using this animation. I'll show you immediately. To do, you know, this type of animation for the for this to do, for the to do itself. But we can think about it, you know, we can think about it. Like when you press on, if I'm going to the testing, refresh here. Why is this not working? For some reason, this is not working. Is this adding? Okay, this is weird. Save. Why? Okay. So when you press on this, I would like to animate. Oh, I would like to animate it. You know. Okay. For how long am I streaming? Almost 2 hours. Alrighty, guys. So I think we left it in a good shape. We are going to do the. So we are handling the keyboard as well. Great. So you can add the to do. Boom. Assassin. What? Like, yeah. I'll figure it out. Yeah, I'm gonna move the state to legend state. But meanwhile, yeah, we are going to do the check here. We are going to also scroll to the current day, or any day basically. Just look to have it here, something like this. And we are going to add some background color and maybe restyle this part because I don't like the add to do whatever, you see. No, it's like maybe add a button or something. Yeah. Thank you very much, guys, for staying with me. Yeah. See you in the future live stream. Have fun. Discover animatereactnative.com, your go-to platform for premium, customizable, and ready-to-use React Native animations. There are over 120 different animations that are going to save you time, enhance your app, and, in my opinion, is the perfect collection if you'd like to learn more about React Native animations. Visit animatereactnative.com.